Hello, my young developers. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, Digitalize the World. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to create a jumping game. And let me show you how will your game look like. So students, this is how your game will look like when you are done completely. Get inside our game and let's get started. So we are going to create a new project. First of all, we will be selecting our backdrop. Let's take the backdrop that you like. I'm going to take this park. And we will be deleting this text from here. Come on, let's get your characters. And I'm going to take a rabbit and the mushroom. Choose whatever you like and say okay. So I have these two characters in front of me. I'm just going to place them here. First step is that we need to fix the starting position of your characters. I hope you remember how to fix the starting position. First of all, you go to the triggering blocks, this first green flag, you go to the motion block and you will be grabbing go home. These two blocks are basically used to fix the starting position of your character. Let's go to the mushroom and we can add the same blocks. Now, what we have done, we have fixed the starting position of both these characters. Let's make your mushroom move forever. First step is we want, when green flag is clicked, we want the mushroom to be moving all the way to the left side and it has to move forever. And we want that the mushroom should be moving in a full speed, in a fast speed. So we go to the controls here and we have a block set speed. This set speed will make your mushroom move very fast. There are three options here. Number one is slow speed, number second is moderate, and the last one is the very fast. And this is what actually we want. Let's see. So mushroom is moving very fast and this is how we wanted the speed. Now, let's reset this and now we go back to the rabbit. We are going to create a button for the rabbit. When we click on that button, the rabbit will be jumping. We go to the customize, we take your circle and let's make a circle and fill it with the color. Let's place this circle on the top so that we can just show that it's a sun. In this circle, let's type something and we make the size of the text small. And we place this jump button inside. You can also make the size of the circle bigger. Like that. And you can put the sun here and drag this jump and place it right in front of the circle. You can also make the size of the jump a little bigger. But that's too big. Let's make it small. Okay, now we have created this button. When you click on the button, your rabbit is going to jump. But how? Let me show you. So first of all, you say, when you are touching this button, then you're going to send a message, a broadcast message. You are going to send a broadcast message to this rabbit, and when this message will be opened by the rabbit, the same yellow color, the rabbit has to jump. This is your home button. So now how many jumps you want? I want long jump. I want that my rabbit should be jumping 10 steps high and then it should come back 10 steps down as well. Let's see. Nice. But you see, my rabbit was still touching the mushroom. So we need to slow down the speed when the rabbit is jumping. So how do we slow down? We go to the controls and we have a set speed here. Let's add the set speed and the very slow speed. Now let's test it. That's nice. Now your rabbit is not touching the mushroom. Now, if the rabbit is touching the mushroom, it has to say a message which says game over. Let's make the game over message screen. Let's delete this tag. We go to this gallery icon here, click on the customize button. Choose whatever color you want. Now let's type the message in between that says game over. And choose the color that you like. And let's put that in the middle. Now let's do the coding in the rabbit. When your rabbit is bumping to any character, now what does bumping means? Bump means that when any character is hitting to the other character. So when a character is hitting to the other character, it has to display game over message. We go to the end screen and we're going to display like that. Now let's test it, how that works. So it works. So now if you want to play the game in full screen, let's click on the full screen button. Now let's play. Whoa! Yay! So that's how you create your jumping game. So my students, I hope you like this project. And if you like my project, please give a thumbs up and please mention that what project would you like me to make it for you. In my next lesson, I will be teaching a new gaming project and that's a surprise for you. Till then, see you in my next lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.